So what is up everybody, my name is Tanish and you are watching Tanish Engineers. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can make a table fan easily at home during lockdown with the materials which can be at your home also. So I hope that you will like it, and if you are seeing this video on Instagram, please don't forget to follow. So I hope that you will like, subscribe and share. So let's start the video. So the materials required are firstly a 24 volt AC to DC adapter, secondly a box. You can take any box or you can take a shoe box also. So I have taken any box of a router, Wi-Fi router, so you can take any one. So the third one component required is a 24 volt DC motor. So this I found from an old printer. It works very nicely and it is very good indeed. So this is the third thing. So the fourth item we need is a pipe, PVC pipe, which I found during the construction waste material, so you can take it easily. So let me keep it here. So the fifth material you need is a wire, actually a pair of wires, two wires, and it should be very large. Sorry, its length should be very big. So the next and the last part you need is a fan. So this is a fan which you can find in toys, or it is easily available in any of the markets or the shops, electronic shops. So these were all the materials required, and also you required a hot glue. You need a hot glue gun. So let me show you. So this is not a material basically, it is used for just pasting it. So I am not including in this list. So let's start the step. You need a box and you can take a pair of scissors or a cutter and a PVC pipe. So what you have to do it, you just have to make a hole inside it, just a hole in which you can insert this PVC pipe. So let me make it and then show you. So I have made the hole, and it is the size, proper size of this, and by slightly pressing it you can paste this thing up. So now what we need to do is, as you can see, this is a stand in which our table fan is going to stand, and in this we will fix a motor on top. So now you have to paste this up with the glue gun. So let me paste it then show you. So I have pasted it with the glue gun, as you can see. Let me show you. See, I have pasted this with the glue gun, and make sure that it does not move. But now it's hot, so it will take some time to be stiff. So now what you have to do is, you just have to fix the 24 volt motor on the top like this. See, we have to fix the motor on the top, and we have to connect the wires on the two. So now I will just fix the motor and connect the wires. So make sure that let me show you. Make sure that you can just insert the wires inside this, or you can just paste the wires on it. So I am inserting the wires inside it. So let me show you after it is done. So now I have pasted the wires. As you can see, I have pasted the wires of the motor, and this is very large in size. So now you can do two ways. Let me show you. See, you can do it in two ways. You can paste it like that and do the wires like this and like this also you can do wires, and it will look good. And the second way you can do is you can just I can just keep the motor. So you can do like this, insert these wires, so it will be a clean thing, and I am making a clean one. So insert the wires inside it, and it will open, inside, and you can just make a hole and pass the wires. So let me do it, and I will paste it and show you. So as you can see, I have pasted the motor. Let me show you from the back side. See, I have pasted the motor and the wires are going down, and see, it is coming from here. Let me show you. See, it is coming from this box, and when you just paste it, please paste it with please paste it more with more glue, as this is very heavy motor. Let me show you. See, this is very heavy motor, and as I said that we have to use 24-volt adapter and a fan. So now we have to fix this, the fan. Let me show you. See, we just have to fix it with the fan. So let me fix and then show you. So as you can see, I have just pasted this. Let me show you. See, I pasted the fan on the top. So see, I pasted it with a hot glue gun, and it will take some time to be pasted. So as you can see, I pasted it on the hot with the help of hot glue gun. So let it keep aside, and now what we have to do is, see, you have to take the wires, and you have to take this. Let me show you. So this is a 24-volt adapter which I have bought from the market, and you can find easily in electrical appliances. So as you can see, this is 12-volt. Let me show you. They see 24-volt AC to DC adapter, and it has two wires. See, one going to the plug, and the another which we have to fix with these both. So now what we have to do, let me show you. So now we have to take this. So this is a part of this, and we have to paste these, connect these two in it, and then power the supply. So let me connect. See, I am connecting it right now. So let me show you. See, we have to connect it like that, and make sure that when you run it, the air should come in the front, not the side. And if it is the side, and if air is coming the sideways, if it is the side, then you just have to connect opposite. So see, I have connected it with this, and now here is the plug, and now we just have to connect it with the socket. So as you can see, this is my project, which, let me show you. I fixed it, the adapter with a dual-sided tape. So I have connected it. So let's turn it on and then see. So as you can see, this is on, and now I am going to show you how I study. So this is how I study with my new table fan, and I hope that you will surely like it. So this was my very cute little project which I made during lockdown period, and you can too make. So if you're watching me on Instagram, don't forget to follow me, and if you're watching me on YouTube, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and please do like, subscribe and share. So I will be declaring shout out winners, which will be the YouTube channels that will follow me on my Instagram and message me and give the link of the channel. So let me tell you what you have to do. You just have to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description, and you just have to, it is for YouTube, not Instagram. So you just have to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description, and just after following there is a message icon. Click on the message icon and write a message that I want you to take a name of my YouTube channel as a shout out winner, and I will surely take that. So just you have to give the name of the channel and the link. So if you haven't seen my video how to copy the link, so the link is in the description, you can see. So this was my project, and I hope that you have surely liked this video. So let's target for 15 likes, and I hope you will be able to do it. So till then, goodbye. I hope that you must be at your homes. So please stay safe.